Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity governance program with RSA Archer. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your RSA Archer account. Navigate to the administration section of the platform. Select the governance module from the main menu. Choose Program Management to get started on your governance program. Click on the Create New Program button. Input a meaningful name for your cybersecurity governance program. Add a brief description to clarify the program's objectives. Set the program's scope, detailing the areas it will cover. Define the stakeholders involved in the program. Assign roles and responsibilities to each stakeholder. Next, establish governance policies that align with your organization's goals. Create a framework for risk assessment within your program. Develop a set of controls that will be implemented. Document the processes for monitoring and responding to cybersecurity incidents. Utilize RSA Archer's risk management features to evaluate potential threats. Integrate compliance requirements relevant to your industry. Configure dashboards to visualize your program's performance metrics. Set up notifications and alerts for key stakeholders. Conduct training sessions for team members involved in governance. Regularly review and update the program to address new cybersecurity challenges. Finally, generate reports to communicate progress and effectiveness to upper management. Your cybersecurity governance program is now ready for implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.